Now let's talk about slicing a tuple. For example, let's create a tuple with numbers in it. A tuple like we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, and we have 10. See, we can slice our list. For example, we can say b equals to, then let's slice it from, we separate by colon to 5, and then let's go ahead and print b. Now we have 3, 4, and 5, so it starts from 2, which is 0, 1, then 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, but excludes 5. Now we can say we don't want to specify the starting index, so we can start here by just leaving it. So if we print here, we are going to get also, it starts from 1, but we can also opt to use a step index. For example, we can say let's start from the beginning and ends and goes to the end, but it should go by 1 step. For example, if we go and save this, we will have all the tuple from 1 to 10. But what if we go here and test, go by 2 steps? Let's go and save this. If we save this, we are going to have 1, 3, so it skips by 2 steps. Now you can also use a negative index. Just remember, this is a very nice trick to reverse your tuple. For example, -1 here, if you print, so we reverse our tuple. So a very nice trick to reverse our tuple.